Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead, log in, aka sign in right there in your DoorDash. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply start our video. For the matter, you can go ahead, go to your browser, simply type in DoorDash.com as I have done over there, and then you're gonna find this kind of interface, right? Then afterwards simply you're gonna go ahead, find this kind of options, including this option called sign in and sign up, right? You're simply gonna go ahead, tap on this option called sign in just right over here, and now you do have options of actually entering a particular email just below, and simply you can get logged in. The password is not required for the matter, or you can simply tap on this continue with Google or Facebook or your Apple ID as you have. So for me, I'm going to tap on this continue with Google since my ID is connected with that. Once you have done so, it's gonna ask you this kind of interface. Go ahead, enter your number and tap on this sign up option if you haven't created an account. Otherwise you will be able to sign in with a Google account just like that. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.